Hello everyone, once again I'm coming back to you. This is especially I'm taking this class for the ICC students. I can understand how much worried they are now, and today I will discuss on the same topic, two-dimensional array. But you know the two-dimensional is not a small chapter, it's a huge content is there. So before we start the actual thing, so this is my request, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the further notification. And especially on two-dimensional array, I have written some main portion of the program. Otherwise, if I write the complete program, it's not possible for to me explain from top to bottom. It's not possible for me to fit the program in the board. So I have written the actual processing part. Today I'll show you how to get the diagonal elements. How to get the diagonal elements. So last class I have explained how to feed data in two-dimensional array. Means 2D array input. Now today the array we already have understood the two-dimensional how to feed the data. This is called initialization method. I have given the value. Now this is called the actual processing part. This I have written. Suppose the elements are given here. These are the elements. The row position 0. Row position 0. This is the row position 0. Row equal to 0. Row equal to 1. 1. Row equal to 2. So this you see, this is row, row and row. Now check. These are the values 1, 2, 3. This I have written. Then 4, 5, 6. Now what to do? We have to catch the diagonal elements. Diagonal elements means these are the positions we have to catch. And these are the positions means this element and this element we have to print. Remaining other places we will print the blank. So how we will print? Printing time output. Our output will be as this. Showing you 1, 5, 1, 5, 9. And this side 3, 5 and 7. So you can understand 5 is printing only once. And the other places, that means we are printing the blank character. Other places we are printing blank character. These are the positions where I am giving the dash. That means it is the blank position. So this program will work. I will test this program in computer. Then it will be clear for you. So please, those who are very much weak in two-dimensional array. So some classes, some important topics right now I am giving you. Before the examinations, I will upload more interesting video, more important videos regarding these different topics like 2D or function overloading or something, whatever the contents are there in ICC. Now let's see. So this is for two-dimensional array, you need nested loop. See that how we will access this. You see that whenever I and j counter, this side is called what? I. Outer loop. Outer loop counter is I. I will be 0, 1, 2, less than 3. J will be 0, 1, 2, less than 3. So when I value, this is I. This side is called I and this side is called J. Left to right increasing means J is increasing, means inner loop. Let's check one by one. See this. When I equal to 0, coming inside, J first counter 0. I 0, J 0. Condition true. I 0, J 0 means this position I want. So then this value I will get. Then I'll print this value. So these three places you check. Now I equal to 0, J equal to 0, condition true. Computer come here. Print without ln. system.out.print 0 0 element value is 1. So I think you can understand. Again, come here. J is 2. Sorry, J is 1. Again, J is 1. Condition false. Condition false. So what it will come here. 0 plus 1 value 1. This side value 2. Not matching. This condition I have given for this. You see this. To get the right diagonals, my formula is 0 2 means 0 plus 2. Ij value. This is ij value. Then this counter will follow. 1 plus 1. This counter. 2 plus 0. All this value, if you make it sum, result will be 2. When this condition will be successful, means you are getting the right diagonal. To get this one, we have to follow this. To get this one, we have to follow this condition. To get this one, we have to follow this condition. So this condition also not matching. 0 1. Which is 0 1? This is 0 1. So this position, when we are getting value I equal to 0 and j equal to 1, not matching this, means it will come here, print the blank character. So this blank character. So you can understand, after printing, this is blank. J equal to 2. I0, J2. Condition false. Come here. I0, J2. Value is 2. So this condition true. If this condition true, that means what we are printing? 0, I0, J2. I0, J2 means this is the position index of two-dimensional array. Which value is this? 3. I'll get this. So what it will bring? It will bring 3 for you. This 3. So it will give you this 3 will be here. In one line you can understand. Then we will come from here, trying to go back, but this loop will not work anymore. So if this condition is not working, this line will work. Cursor is coming in the next line. Your cursor is coming in the next line. I'll write using the different pen. Cursor is waiting here because of this line. Cursor is coming here. Cursor was here. Now it's coming here. Going back. 1. I equal to 1. Come inside. J once again. I equal to 1. J equal to 0. 1 0. Which coordinate? Which coordinate this one? Is it matching? I equal to 0? No. It is false. So once again, this is false. If it is false, it is false. Check. 1 1 0. It is 1. It is false. False means blank print. This is the blank. This is the blank. Then 1. J1. Come here. J1. This time you check matching. It is matching. Matching means 1 1. 1 1 means value. 1 1 means 5. So it will give you 5. This 5. What it's showing is 5. From here, 2. I2, J2, I1, J2. This condition not matching. False. Coming here. I1, J2. It is 3. Not matching. False. Means print blank. So in this way you can understand the last one it will be similar. So this diagonal is printing only once. Diagonal is printing only once. Because it will not print. If you want to print, if you want to catch both the diagonals, then what to do? If you do not want to print, just you want to show the sum of diagonals. One sum of this, again sum of this, then what to do I'll show you in computer. But to print like this, to print exactly how I have written, we have to write this code. Let's see in computer. Okay, let's see in computer. So please check all of you. This is my screen. So let's see all of you how to go for the test run. Okay, how to go for the test run. Let's see. You can see this screen, this two-dimensional array. In two-dimensional array, you see this. This one, this is array initialization. After initialization, we are showing the array elements. This is the nested loop. Last day I have explained like this. This will help you to show only. And diagonal part, this is the lower part. I have written, this is the diagonal. Let me explain, then let me show you once, then I'll tell you. This is my program. Compile it. Right click. Check. This is my answer. Check how it's coming. Exactly, I printed this. First I have printed, then I have taken out the diagonal form after with space. Now check, I'm showing you this program in computer. This is my program. Check. This is diagonal elements. This is diagonal elements. This part is diagonal. Check. So what I have given? I equal to j. I plus j equal to 2. When your number of elements is 3, what you will do? You will calculate accordingly. What you will do? You will do accordingly. Now, if your array size, this is exactly we are getting the diagonal. When we are getting the actual diagonal this way, when it is odd length array. When it is odd length array, this is odd length array. This is odd length array. You check, this is odd length array. This is 3 by 3 matrix. It is odd length. If it is 4 by 4, you will not get the diagonal elements properly. So 5 by 5, then 7 by 7 odd length, then you will get it. Now check. You see that I have printed the diagonals. I have printed the diagonals in this way. Now, once again I'm showing you this. If it is written, suppose 5 by 5 matrix, what you will do? If it is 5 by 5 matrix, what you will do? Then we have to change here what 5 by 5 accordingly. Okay, so 4 by 4 exact diagonal form we will not get it. Now let's see. If you want sum of diagonals, what you will do? Sum of diagonals, you do not want to print. Or if after printing also you can do it. Suppose I do not want to print, I want to print only sum of diagonals. So what you will do? You will take one extra variable here. I will take extra variable. Here I will write int sum equal to 0. Now this variable I will apply here. Where? Sum of diagonals. Where we are going for checking. this place we will write that sum equal to sum plus this. When condition will match, sum plus this is okay. And other place, if you do not want to print the pattern, that diagonals, just to give the condition like this, don't give this else part there. Okay, don't give this one. What you will do, outside you come, sum of diagonals means sum of first diagonal, first diagonal what you will write, and second diagonal what you will write. If you write diagonals, then what you will do, you take two separate variables. Now this is common, the middle element. Only if you print like this, what will happen, middle elements will be counted once. In this case, middle element else are given. In this case, the middle element, which is the middle element, 5 is the middle element as per our 2D array. Okay, compiled, right click, check sum of diagonals. What is sum of diagonals? 1, 5, 9, it is 15, and here is also 15. So 15, 15, 30, but is coming 25. 15 and 15, first diagonal. So first diagonal you check, first diagonal it is 15. 15 means 1, 5, 9, 15, 3, 5, 7, it is also 15. So 15 and 15, 30. So this element is counted only once. That is the reason the result is coming 25. If you want to get 15 and 15 separately, what you will do? We have to use 2 counter. So then we can. So else, then we will not write else. Let's see. So what you will do? We will do little bit modification. See this, sum 1. Suppose I've written sum 1 and sum 2. Okay, sum 2. So you see this, here I will apply sum 1, and here you will write else. Don't write else then. This is you write sum 2. Then we show both the diagonals. Control C will be. Let's see, first diagonal, second diagonal. Second diagonal. First diagonal, sum 1, second diagonal, sum 2. Control K, check. This is first diagonal. You can see first diagonal 15, second diagonal also 15. So this way you can do separately. You see that else part of. If you write else, what will happen? So we will get the second sum 2. Check. See that the second one 5 less, because else condition I have given means the middle element will be counted here. It will not be counted in this part, because if it works, this part will not work. And if you remove this else part, what will happen? If this works, then also it will check. If this condition works, then this will work. So this is the way that to get the diagonal separately, this way you will check. Okay. So this is one of the most important this topic, the two-dimensional array and diagonal elements. Next day I will show you sum of elements, and if anything more on two-dimensional as per your ICSE syllabus, I will show you that also. Up to this much, I think you have understood little bit about the diagonal elements, how to catch. And if you follow my the first two-dimensional arrays class, then after that, if you see, it will be more clear. Okay, so definitely I'll upload a lot more classes for ICC students. You just follow this class properly. I may upload the objectives also. I may discuss with the very vital objectives. There is a possible that some questions will be the possible questions, means some important questions which will be very much effective for ICC examinations. I'll discuss that also. So till then, you just uh, tune my channel. So definitely I'll upload that one. So till then, thank you very much.